The first time we looked at the home screen, we only focused on personalizing how it looks. But what about organizing its contents, your apps? When you download an app, as we did in the previous lesson, from the App Store, you can choose whether it appears both on your home screen in the app library, or whether it only goes to the app library. I prefer a cleaner home screen, so I set mine to only go to the app library. That is why the Pinterest app I just downloaded will not appear on my home screen. It is instead only in my app library. Press and hold an empty space until your apps start to jiggle to enter the editing mode. From here, you can remove apps you no longer need on the home screen. Or delete an app entirely from your iPad. You can always download it again whenever you need it. Another way to enter editing mode is long pressing an app while dragging to rearrange it. You can move it to anywhere there is space, or to a different page. In iPadOS 26, you can group apps into folders by simply dragging and dropping them on top of each other. The new folder has an automated name depending on the apps you group, but you can rename them. In a less flexible way, you can rearrange the apps as well. Notice though, simply tapping on the folder will let you view its apps. If you want to edit, you must first enter editing mode. To dismantle a folder, drag the apps out of it. It will disappear automatically when it doesn't have any apps in it. Another way to organize your home screen is through its pages. In editing mode, an extra new page is automatically added to your pages, in case you want a new page. It's always available in editing mode. All you have to do is add an app to it to get it saved. You can also add it to your pages on your home screen. Untick to hide them. And now I have one visible home screen page. The other pages have not been deleted, so I can easily show them again. These hidden pages can also be deleted. This doesn't delete the apps from your iPad, just the page you're organizing them on. And lastly, you can rearrange the pages of your home screen if you like.